ITA Tools is a company specializing in production, service and distribution of professional tools for woodworking industry, furniture production and processing composite materials, aluminium and plastics. The company consists of 3 sectors: head office in Krakow, production and service center in Mielec and warehouse in Wieliczka. People are the essence of the company. Qualified management is continuously looking for areas of innovation, setting the direction for ITA Tools development. An experienced team watches over the high quality of products and provides its partners with individual support and technical advice. Thanks to this approach, during the last 20 years of operation, we have created a distribution network which allows our products to be available in over 40 countries worldwide. The excellent reputation of our tools is due to high-quality raw materials, specialized design software and automated quality control. Our production center with modern machinery park allows us to produce and regenerate all types of PCD and solid carbide tools. Right here, because of the innovative process of laser ablation, PCD tools with outstanding precision and durability are being created. Unique technological facilities allow us to fulfill orders for products with non-standard sizes and applications. Our offer includes over 10,000 types of tools, and a modern B2B platform enables checking the current inventory status. Hence, our clients can see their prices and product specifications as well as place an order immediately. Precision, durability and innovation lie at the heart of ITA Tools' success. Thanks to this philosophy, our company is constantly developing, enjoying the recognition of customers and maintains a strong position in the industry.